give her up. I think it's the way life changes.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pooja. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share how to register yourself as a candidate with an Indigo airline before going to an interview. At the end of the day, you will understand how to register yourself with an airline. Without wasting a time, let's get into the video. First of all, you have to do is to search Indigo Careers website. Then you will see there many features: life at Indigo, departments, Indigo Careers, and many more. At the bottom, you can see there caution. It has been written here. Some people are misusing the brand name Indigo and charging money or demanding money for interviews or job with Indigo. And it has been clearly written there, Indigo does not charge any money for interviews or recruitment. And you have to click at Indigo Careers Search and Apply. You can see there now hiring, click there. You can check interview dates as well by this website. Click on cabin attendant grade trainee and it looks like this. You have to click on apply now to apply or register yourself with an airline. After clicking, you have to put your email address and sign in. After signing in, click on my documents. You have to upload your documents in PDF. Upload your resume or CV and scroll down. You will see there PAN card option. You have to upload your PAN card and Aadhaar card, front and back both side. If you have a passport, you have to upload your passport as well and your current certification. Guys, you have to fill your personal information, your first name, last name, your country, state, city, postal code, your mobile number, your email address, and your date of birth, and your gender, marital status, nationality, and your permanent address. And if you have any work experience, you can fill as well. And click on formal education. You have to fill from date, end date, and name of board or university, your location of institution, your education type, course, and your percentage. If you have any language skills, you can fill as well. And if your relatives is working currently with Indigo, you can fill as well, but it should be your blood relation. And after filling all these boxes, click on save and apply. Then you will be registered as candidate with an Indigo airline before going to an interview. That's all for today's video. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask me. I hope now you had a clear idea about how to register yourself with an airline. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.